Hello children. Today I will be taking literature class of class 3. So take out your literature book and open chapter 2, The Needle to Heaven. Now what does the word needle means? It is a solid thin metal piece that had a sharp point at one end used for sewing the clothes. Now what does the word heaven means? Heaven is a place where God lives. Or you can say that good people basically go after they dies. Guru Nanak was the first Sikh guru or teacher and the founder of Sikh faith. Sikh means someone who learns. This story teaches us not to be attached to wealth. Instead, be a good human being and do service to others. This is one way of being close to God. Dhuni Chand was the richest man in the city of Lahore. So who was the richest man in the city of Lahore? Dhuni Chand. He lived in a magnificent palace surrounded by all the luxuries of life. What does the word magnificent means? It means extremely beautiful. His palace was extremely beautiful. It was surrounded by all the luxuries of life. One day he came to know that Guru Nanak was preaching in the city. What did Dhuni Chand came to know one day? He knew that Guru Nanak was preaching in the city. What does the word preaching means? Preaching means spreading or speaking the word of God to people. He rushed out to the palace where Guru Nanak was staying and invited him to his palace to a special dinner in his honor. What did Dhuni Chand do next? Dhuni Chand, he invited Guru Nanak for the dinner in his palace. Now next what happened? Guru Nanak politely refused. Guru Nanak did not want to attend the dinner party. But since Dhuni Chand would not take no for an answer, Guru Nanak was forced to accept the invitation. As Dhuni Chand was not ready to listen no from Guru Nanak. So Guru Nanak was forced to accept the invitation. Dhuni Chand was very pleased. Pleased means happy or satisfied. It will be the best evening of your life, he bragged. Who bragged? Dhuni Chand bragged. To whom? To Guru Nanak, that it will be the best evening of your life. Guru Nanak was given a grand welcome at the feast. What kind of treatment he was given? He was given a grand welcome at the feast, attended by all the rich and famous people of the city. The food was delicious. What do you mean by delicious? Very pleasing. Prepared with much care, and everyone had a wonderful evening. Now what is been said in this para? In this para it has been said that he was given a grand welcome by Dhuni Chand. There are a lot of people like rich and famous people attended that party. The food was also very tasty, very pleasing. It was prepared with much care and everyone had a wonderful evening. At the dinner, Dhuni Chand turned to Guru Nanak. Now Dhuni Chand, what did he do? He turned to Guru Nanak. I happen to be the wealthiest man in this city. If there is anything I can do for you, holy sir, please don't hesitate to ask. He boasted. What did he said to Guru Nanak? He said that he is one of the wealthiest man. Wealthiest man means richest man in the city. So if Nanak needs anything from him, feel free to ask. Do not hesitate. Hesitation means wait to act because of fear. Now Guru Nanak was quiet. He looked around the huge rooms, the expensive carpets and curtains, the paintings on the wall, the silver urns filled with flowers, the ladies of the house dressed in the finest of silks and laden with a gold jewelry. He then felt his pocket and took out a small box, inside which was a fine silver needle. What is being said in this paragraph? Guru Nanak was quite pleased by everything, as there was a huge rooms with expensive carpets was there, curtains was there. There was a painting in the wall. Ladies used to dress finely, very beautifully they used to dress with laden, with gold jewelries. But then what did he do? He then felt his pocket and took out a small box. What did Guru Nanak do? He took out a small box inside which was a fine silver needle. So children, half of the chapter has been taught today and I have given some question answers. Complete the sentence true or false for your assignment number 10. So I believe that you will be able to complete your assignment very easily. Thank you.